Hey everyone, welcome to Happy. In this video, we're going to talk about the nutritional qualities of kiwi, and we're going to talk about how long kiwi will actually stay on the vine. This fuzzy kiwi give you fruit well into winter.
Hey, wake up!
We are literally on the verge of February 2022. I think today is like January 28th, something like that, and we still got kiwi on the vine. This year we did a test. We wanted to see how long the kiwi, this is fuzzy kiwi, this is the green fuzzy kiwi. We wanted to see how long it would stay on the vine, and she'll stay on the vine a long time. The problem is it's not really a quality fruit right now. This one's really gone off. This one's funky, and you know it's funky because when you squeeze it, it's really soft. So somewhere between November, when you can pick these and they're rock hard, you put them on a kitchen shelf for about 3 weeks, they'll soften up just fine. Somewhere between the end of November and the end of January, you can pick fresh fruit, but by the time you get to end of January, they're a little funky. So I just cracked her open. That's what the fruit looks like. It's frozen as hell. It's just really cold out here. Probably about, I don't know, the high 20s or something. Actually tastes pretty damn good. I mean, if you need a survival food, not a prepper, this fuzzy kiwi give you fruit well into winter. Amazing. Tastes pretty goddamn good. Huh. So what's the value of kiwi fruit? Kiwi fruit has 3 times more vitamin C than oranges. It's loaded with folate, which is vitamin B9. The key with getting folate from fresh fruit is that you don't cook fresh fruit. If you cook a leafy vegetable, you cook the folate out of the vegetable. I believe only papaya has more folate. Only banana has more potassium than kiwi. So we're talking about rocket high vitamin C, rocket high folate or vitamin B9. We're talking about rocket high potassium, very high in vitamin E. Kiwi also benefits your digestive health and your metabolic health. Digestive health is about the gastrointestinal system. Metabolic health is about cholesterol, vascular system, hypertension, and any sort of abnormal glucose. So it's hugely beneficial fruit. Now, I'm not saying you want to wait until February 1 to pick your fruit. We're going to take this home, juice it, something along that line. There, that one just dropped in. There are 3 types of kiwis. In general, there's 3 types. There's the fuzzy kiwi, that's what we're looking at here. The fuzzy kiwi produces the largest fruit. There's the hardy kiwi, just like its name says, the hardy part's really cold tolerance. We're in zone 7, by the way. This fuzzy does just fine here, but hardy kiwi takes it to another level. It produces a fruit that's like a very large grape. The 3rd variety of kiwi is the Arctic kiwi, and that kiwi produces a fruit about the size of a raisin. The key to growing a fuzzy kiwi is you don't want the roots to get wet. Fuzzy kiwis like well-drained soil, or because, particularly the hardy kiwi, because it can tolerate nutrient poor soils or heavier soils, you want to make sure it's not being overwatered. Bottom line is they like dry feet. They like their roots to be able to dry out. The best soil is high organic soil. We bought this girl Again, we're in zone 7. This is a Vincent female, and right next to her is a male Fuzzy Kiwi. Kiwis, all varieties of kiwis except for 2 exceptions, require a male and a female. The exception for the Fuzzy Kiwi is a variety called, a cultivar called Jenny. Jenny is self-pollinating, and there is one variety of hardy kiwi that's self-pollinating. 2016, late in the year, we bought the Vincent and a male in a 4-inch pot. Got them for $12. By 2017, we had a really big vine. By 2020, we picked our first fruit. That was a year ago. This is the 2nd year, and what I wanted to do back in November, December was actually pick or clean and weigh the fruit. It was the first year. Again, start with a 4-inch pot. We waited like 4 or 5 years to have what probably would have been 2/3 of a 5-gallon bucket of fruit from her. They refrigerate well. If you do a lot of picking or pick a lot of fruit at one time, you put some on the kitchen shelf and then you would put some in the refrigerator. That's gonna, the fruit in the refrigerator will extend its life. You can pick fresh fruit in the middle of frigid weather. So she's been frozen, thawed. I mean, this is pretty gnarly. But there is fruit in the backyard in the middle of like 29-degree high days, and that's the Fuzzy Kiwi. I hope you get interested in the Fuzzy Kiwi and the family of kiwis. Make sure you check out our ad-free website, free ad-free web page just for kiwis. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to our channel. Take care of yourself. Take care of someone else if you can. Love you. Bye.